VLOOKUP formula, if the value you want to bring is sitting on the left side of the matched column instead of the right side, you can use choose to do so. So equal to VLOOKUP, that's the value we like to match, and choose bracket and then curved bracket. So we want to have one column to match the second column to bring up the value. So put 1, 2, and then indicate the column for the match, which is this, comma, then indicate the value you like to bring from column, and then bracket. So the column number is the second one we want to bring the value, so 2, and then false, as we like to have exactly match. There you go. So in this way, you don't have to move your column to the other side.